Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 4, want to present the company that we choose for our assignment, which is the Keropok Lekozaki. First of all, me, Muhammad Irfan bin Razidi, S72153, want to present the company background, which is Keropok Lekozaki. Keropok Lekozaki is a well-known traditional food product among the people of Terengganu. The business is owned by the Mr. Zaki, also known as Acik Zaki, a senior entrepreneur who has been operating the Keropok Leko business for over 20 years. He is a family-owned business with no branch, focusing on maintaining its traditional methods. The business is located near Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Komplek Mengabang Teleport in Kuala Terengganu and operate from Saturday to Thursday from 9 AM to 7 PM and is closed on Friday. The Keropok Lekozaki use fresh fish sourced directly from fishermen at Pulau Kambing to ensure consistent taste and high quality. The Keropok Leko is prepared manually and cooked using a traditional wood fire stove, which given it a unique aroma and authentic taste.
My name is Izzati Betul Mahathir. My number matric S70482. Today I want to present about Section 2, Quality Issue in Purchasing for Keropok Lekozaki. First question, 3 major quality related challenge in purchasing. Keropok Lekozaki, inconsistent raw material supply and pricing volatility. Second, unreliable supply of firewood and packaging material. And lastly, floor quality variation, effective product consistency. And question 2, how the company assures supplier quality assurance. Keropok Lekozaki use informal but systematic supplier selection and monitoring. Next, incoming inspection and process control. Lastly, customer focus specification for different Keropok Leko types and sorts. However, it should be noted that Keropok Lekozaki does not appear to use formal quality assurance system like ISO 9001 certification or documented supplier audits, because their approach is traditional relationship-based rather than formally structured and effective process methods. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now, I will present about the quality analysis of Keropok Lekozaki shop. In this slide, the Keropok Lekozaki shop doesn't use formal models such as Six Sigma. Instead, they implement total quality management. They emphasize 2 crucial dimensions: performance, which is the delicate texture, and another one, aesthetics, which is the unique aroma of the wood fire cooking. This set them apart from their factory-made competitors. Next, when it comes to the workforce, employee dedications help to sustain quality. The team comprised of family members with excellent process capability due to genetic skills. This helps them to maintain high standards without the need for written guidance. Now, let's look at my final slide, which is on supplier quality. By closely examining their arriving fish to guarantee the freshness, Mr. Zaki spent in operation costs. Most importantly, they employ a zero-stock policy, which is the store shutter if the fresh chicken is not available. This approach safeguards to the company reputations and avoid external valuation costs. We will move to the next slide.
My number is S70996. Today I will be discussing about delivery and logistics for Keropok Leko. For the question 1, what transportation mode are used to deliver purchase item? According to Johnson ETL 2020, there are 5 basic transportation method: truck, rail, pipeline, air and water. For Keropok Lekozaki, we focus on truck and van. For inbound logistics, small truck or van deliver fresh fish from Pulau Kambing, fresh men, and firewood direct to the factory. This provides door-to-door flexibility. For outbound logistics, tow main channel private carrier for large order up to 1500 stick daily for event like wedding and customer pickup from their Kuala Besut store at RM1 per stick. For question 2, how does the company handle on-time deliver and trade-off? Zaki used advanced booking and just-in-time GIT production, fish chow within 6 or 2 hour in processing the same day. This ensures freshness and minimize stock out. Trade-off, the company prioritizes quality over cost to maintain zero inventory to keep product fresh, avoiding outsourcing to prevent damage, and keep price constant at RM1 despite rising costs. This building customer loyalty but increase logistic risks. In question 3, role of third-party logistic 3PL like DHL or GD Express. 3PL mean outsourcing logistic function. Currently, Zaki use minimal 3PL, preferring private carrier like most SMEs, serving local market. For future potential to expand beyond Terengganu, Zaki need a cold chain 3PL service from company like GD Express or Post Laju. For benefit, lower cost, wider market reach, focus on production, risk, loss of control over product handling, possible price increase.
My name is Sarah Fenty Mansur. My number metric is 70467. Today I want to present about the section 3, question 4 and question 5. And the question 4 is about the risk. The first one is about the logistics risk. Logistic risk is happen because delivery delay. And logistic operation can be affected by the expectations winter so as about the heaven rains flow and more that this condition may because the rounds closes or slow transports. The second point is about the product handling risk. Product handling risk happen because delicate fruit. Kaput lekor is a fragile fruit that can be easy damaged during the transit. The kaput lekor is not the paper packaging. The question 5 is about the suggestion for the improves delivery effectiveness. The first one is about the diversity and fish and sources, and the shop should find the alternative for the supply of the fish, and find the backup supply and to avoid stock out during the bad winterings. The implementing the technology and the Kapolai Kozaki can use of the WhatsApp business. WhatsApp business can be used to manage for your customer order effective. Also that provide the automated reply and says the order information.
For question number 1, I will explain the environmental and sustainability policies practiced by Keropok Lekozaki Enterprise. Keropok Lekozaki Enterprise is a family-run business that has been operating for more than 20 years. Instead of having formal written sustainability policies, their practices are embedded in traditional operational values. One of the main sustainability practices is the production of clean label products, where no chemical preservative or softening agents are used. This ensures that the product remains safe, natural, and healthy for consumer, in line with social sustainability principles. The company managed daily procurement volume with past sales data to forecast demand manually. Through this approach, the company achieved both economic efficiency and environmental responsibility by minimizing waste and reducing its carbon footprint. In addition, the company applies a strict local sourcing policy. Fresh fish is sourced directly from Pulau Kambing Jetty, which is the closest supplier. This practice helps to reduce food meals, ensure maximum freshness, and support the local fishing economy. Another important sustainability policy is the zero daily leftover practice. All freshly made keropok leko must be sold on the same day. This helps to reduce food waste, avoid unnecessary storage, and eliminate the need of energy-intensive cold storage. Next, for question number 2, I will discuss how lean and green procurement principles are applied in Keropok Leko Zaki Enterprise. One of the key lean practices used in the just-in-time or JIT inventory system. Raw materials, mainly fish, are purchased on a daily basis according to demand. If fresh fish is unavailable, the shop will temporarily shut down rather than using frozen or low quality stock. This approach helps to prevent overstocking, reduce spoilage, and eliminate cold storage costs. On the production floor, lean principles are applied through the use of a bone separator machine, which allows maximum extraction of fish flesh. This reduces waste and ensures efficient use of raw materials. Manual labor by skilled family member is then focused on shaping and cooking, which further improve efficiency and product quality. From a green procurement perspective, the company uses firewood for boiling. Although it produces smoke, this practice is managed sustainably through bulk purchasing of firewood, which reduces transportation trips and carbon emissions. The traditional stove also retains heat efficiently, allowing large quantities of keropok leko to be cooked without using electricity or fossil fuels. Overall, this practice showed that even with traditional methods, Keropok Lekozaki Enterprise is able to apply modern lean and green procurement principles effectively, especially in reducing waste, improving efficiency, and lowering environmental impact.
Moving on to our suggestion for sustainable purchasing, we have identified two major supply chain risks for Keropok Lekozaki and proposed innovation to solve them. First is the issue of firewood instability. Currently, they rely on ad hoc supply. We suggest innovating their procurement by switching to a sustainable biomass briquette. Unlike raw timber, these are made from agricultural waste, which is green sourcing, and they burn more consistently. This secure a reliable supply contract and allow for accurate cost forecasting, all while preserving the signature wood fire aroma that the customer love. Second is the volatility of fish prices, which can fluctuate between 50 cents to 1 ringgit overnight. To counter this, we propose value-added sustainable packaging for the frozen line by upgrading to the biodegradable packaging pack with premium branding. Keropok Lekozaki can justify a higher price point. This strategy acts as a financial hedge. The extra profit from these premium packs cover the losses when the fresh fish is expensive, which stabilizing the company cash flow without rising prices on the daily hot Keropok.
My name is Pachbalkis binti Ismail, matric number S71439. The conclusion is Keropok Lekozaki demonstrate effective quality management despite operating as a small, family-run business by prioritizing fresh raw materials, same-day processing, and traditional methods. The business ensures consistent product quality and customer satisfaction. Although formal quality systems are not fully implemented, strong owner involvement and experience-based practice help maintain product standards and long-term customer trust. Further reflection, this assignment shows that effective quality management can be achieved without formal system when experience, consistency, and commitment to quality are present. The owner's decision to use only fresh ingredients and halt production when quality is compromised highlight integrity and customer focus. Overall, the case enhanced my understanding of real quality management in traditional business. Thank you.